In today's video, I will be sharing my fall Trader Joe's haul, everything I got from Trader Joe's for the fall season. Hi ladies, welcome back to my little pink Casa. I'm so excited you're here. If you're new, welcome. And today is the official first day of fall, so I thought it would be fun to show you a little bit of what I got today from Trader Joe's. So every year we always love the Trader Joe's fall season products that they have. In our family, we love shopping at Trader Joe's. We don't really get over there much because it's in a different part of our area, but when we do, I like to shop there. So I'm actually dressed fall today, even though I have this cardigan. It's still hot here in Arizona, but I am dressed a little fall, feel a little cozy, got my warm colors on, and I'll be showing more of my fall 10 item wardrobe in another video to come, so you can see more of what I'm putting together. But this is kind of like an outfit of the day for you, so you get a little sneak peek. First, I'm going to pull out some things from the bag. So this is our favorite thing that we get every year. In one of my past videos, I show how to make a DIY home fragrance for your house for fall. And one of the ingredients I used was this, but this is great to drink too, not just for a DIY. Every year we always get the Trader Joe's spiced cider, and it tastes so good. I love to put it in a crock pot and simmer it. A few years back, when I was sick with gastritis, some of you have been following us since then, and in 2016, that's when I posted about that. And I couldn't eat gluten, dairy, anything really, so this was my alternative, and this was actually the only cereal that I could eat. And these are the Trader Joe's Pumpkin O's. I love them, they're so good, and every year I look for them. So they are low fat, vegan, gluten-free, if any of you need that. I don't necessarily buy them anymore because of that reason, because I've been healed of my gastritis, so thank God that's all over with. But we do enjoy these and love these as a fall cereal because they do have real pumpkin in them. So that's one of our favorites, our oldies but goodies. So this is another one of our favorites. It's the pumpkin pancake and waffle mix. All you have to add is buttermilk to this. So it's not like just add water mix, but it's still good. So we enjoy this, and this would be one of our oldies but goodies too. Another thing that we've gotten in the past that I love are these pastas. It's the fall zucchetti pasta. I think that's how you say it. And this is the butternut squash. So it's delicious, and we mix it with pasta sauce. They do have like a pumpkin pasta sauce, but we really don't like that. We didn't like that. We tried it before, so I just use it like with a regular marinara or spaghetti sauce. They're so cute because they're little pumpkins, and they're so festive, so they're pretty, and they're really cute for the kids too. A pumpkin bread and muffin mix, and it's really easy because it just adds eggs, oil, and water. And I love all the Trader Joe's products because I know that they're non-GMO. So I think this is a little bit healthier than getting your average grocery store mix if you're not going to make it from scratch. I can't wait to make some bread or muffins with these. A nice fall morning. I love baking in the fall, so I'm going to be baking a lot more. So I think I might be doing some more vintage cooking from my 1950s cookbook that I have here. I started a playlist on my channel for that, and I only have one recipe so far. So I really like to dive in and get more of those done. And I think most of you would like to see more baked dishes anyways, so I think you can look forward to more videos on that as part of my vintage homemaking and vintage cooking videos. So the next thing is, these are pumpkin cereal bars basically. Hadara loves these. We get the strawberry and blueberry ones, but when the pumpkin ones come out, she's always wanted to try these, so this is what we're going to try. And this would be a new item. We bought these petite pumpkin spice cookies, and this is so funny because the night that I literally we went a couple of nights ago to get this stuff because we were in the area, and we went shopping that night, and I've been holding all these things in the bag. I cleaned everything, and then I've been keeping this all so I could make my video. we all wanted these cookies, so we opened the box, and I said, well, I'll just open it and then we can kind of show, you know, the cookie. But we ended up eating them and eating them. And I just thought, oh, this is so funny, because by the time I make my video, we're not going to have any left of these. And literally, we are down to like that many left. So if you're like my family, yeah, I mean, these are so good. And in fact, since it's open, I can show you what they look like. They're really cute. They kind of remind me of those mother cookies that are like with the mother cookies that have icing on them. They're little pumpkins, white and orange. So, and then they have little sprinkles on them, and they're really good. So these would be really good with the kids. And they are shortbread cookies with pumpkin spice and yogurt coating. Okay, the next thing that we got were organic frosted toaster pastries. And these are pumpkin. So we got the theme going on, got a lot of pumpkin products, a lot of pumpkin foods and things, because I'm so ready for fall. I'm so done with summer. I did bring out my cup though today. Yay, look at this. I went and got it out of the garage because I keep some of my seasonal things in there. And I said, it's the first day of fall. I'm going to go get my little squirrel coffee mug. So yeah, he's so cute. I just love squirrels. I don't like them in my yard, but I like them if they're characters, because they eat all my plants and garden. So these are called fall leaf corn tortilla chips. And they're just probably like any corn tortilla chips, but they are shaped in fall leaves, and they are different colors. These are so appealing for children. I think children would love to eat all this, especially if they don't like butternut squash. You know, this is in the pasta. It's a great way to get them to eat their vegetables that they normally wouldn't eat. And then these are so cute on a plate or a platter. So these don't have pumpkin in them, but they are fall-ish, I guess you can say. And then the last thing I got was this pumpkin butter. I've heard many good things about it. I haven't tried it or bought it before, but I'm looking forward to trying it. And they also had some apple cider butter, but we wanted to try the pumpkin butter since we're doing a pumpkin theme and everything is pumpkin right now. We're excited to try this on some toast or even our pancakes. That would be good. Or even on scones. So I'm looking for a good pumpkin scone recipe, because I think it would be fun to do pumpkin or a fall tea in one of my next videos, because I haven't done a fall tea and poetry video in a while. And I miss those videos. I love my tea videos. In fact, the last video I did where I made tea, you all love that. And so I think that would be great, especially during fall, because it's cozy time and it's a great time to put a cup of tea on. So if you're new and you like this video, be sure to subscribe, because I will be adding more videos coming in the next few days as part of my fall inspired series. And then I will link above the playlist so you can catch up on any videos in my fall inspired series that you may have missed. And I thank you for watching today, and I will see you again in my next video.